So I've been looking for a TV stand and I came across this one. This is everything that it comes with. I just took everything out of the box. So what's really cool about this one, it holds up to a 100-inch TV and it holds up to 198 pounds. So let's go ahead and put it together. So this is step one. You connect these with the pole. The pole on the outside has 3 holes. The one that goes on the inside has 2. This one slides in right here, so it runs through. So it runs through. You put the washer and the nut. The bolt goes through there, and you could tell the smaller one goes on the inside and the bigger one goes on the outside. And you do the same thing over here. The one on the outside has 3 of the holes. The one on the inside is going to have 2. So this is the next step. The bolt goes through here. This one slides in here, and then you put the washer and the nut. So that's how it should look. And remember to put these facing the opposite because they have a slight bend to them because the wheels are going to go on the bottom over here. So there we go. Next, you screw in all 4 wheels. They're easy. You just turn it, tighten it, and there you go. I put the ones with the brakes on the same side. So one right here. This one doesn't have a brake, and this one has a brake, and that one doesn't have. As you're building it, I suggest you just do it hand tight, this one, because this one, it needs to fit in the middle. So once you put in this bar, you put these 2 bolts and tighten them, then you could tighten the rest. This one back here, this goes in the back because the cables and all that stuff, you could run them back here so they won't be hanging down. This takes the 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 nuts, same thing on the other side. And then over here, for this little rack, that's why it's universal, because it slides as big as your TV is. And then back here in this little part, you're gonna put this. It has 2 of them. I don't know if you can see the little cuts, but you put one right inside here, and you put the other one on the other one. So you open this up, and it goes right here. So it rests against this bar right here. And then the screws, the E screws, are for this. So once you put the TV on, the screws go right here. So let's put it all together. So here is the TV stand, fully assembled, and overall I am very happy with it. Really good material, easy to build. Can't wait to put my TV on it. This is a 40-inch TV that I put on my TV stand, just so you see it as reference. I love this thing, very easy to assemble. You could move it around. These things adjust, open up to fit whatever TV you want. This little clamp holds it in place. The wheels could lock in place if you want. 2 of the wheels have locks. So highly recommend this TV stand. Very awesome. Can't wait to put it to use.